Hello fellow DIYers, Doug here, and I'm about to install my new Whirlpool water softener. But before I get started, I'm going to review all the included parts and make sure I have everything so there are no surprises mid-project. Well, this is obviously the primary component, the water softener. What helps make this such an easy install is that all the actual softening is self-contained, meaning that the components that make this happen are built into the unit itself. For an install, all you have to do is take care of the external connections. Perhaps the most critical part for installation, the bypass valve. This connects to the back of the softener and to your water supply line and allows hard water to flow into the system and the soft water to flow out. This requires some basic plumbing work, but totally doable for the capable DIYer. Most units have a single bypass valve like this one, with a simple on-off lever where you can start and stop water flow in an instant. The adapter elbow and grommet are used to attach the drain hose. These clips help secure the bypass valve connections to the softener. The hose clamps help secure your hoses to their respective fittings. And finally, every water softener comes with a convenient hard water test strip. You use this to test your water before installation so you can program your softener to the correct hardness level. And with that, you're ready to begin your installation. For a step-by-step guide, check out our related installation video or consult your product manual. And as always, an EcoPure Home rep is also available to assist through the customer support number. Thanks for watching. Happy installing.